How's it going, everybody? Today we'll be installing this fan in my living room. It's 52 inches. It's just a cheapo little fan from Lowe's. But yeah, it's almost midnight and it gets annoyingly hot down here, so I'm gonna put the fan in tonight. So tomorrow I'll have a fan that works. All right. So we got our blocks here. We got our fan, we got a knife, we got a screwdriver multi-tool thing. We're just getting into it. All right, let's see here. Cardboard, check. Builder Series ceiling fan, whatever. Fan blades. Something. Oh, dark light. Well, the couch is dark, I guess, and that coffee table is dark, so we'll go to the dark side. Light diffuser. I don't think there's anything else in here. All right, cool. All right, let's get this out on a tray. Oh, that's cool. I didn't know that they did this. You have your summer switch, and you have your winter switch. That's cool. I always had to guess which one was which. Now they label it. Instructions. 2 screws, washer, outlet box, yippers. So these screws we gotta remove. They're for the fan, those guys. Yeah, let's go remove this stuff. We'll go to the garage. All right, hard part's over. I have these already laid out. I'm just showing you guys how I'm doing it. I'm popping the frame in with the fan blade itself. This is the back side of it, so when you flip it upside down like so, this is what you're actually gonna see when the fan blade is running. So yeah, we're just gonna screw them all in and call it good to go. So I like to pre-start all the screws before just drilling it so I don't strip it, because this part kind of matters. Perfect. When the contractors built this house, they stripped this screw out almost completely. And it took forever to get this little thing out. So for the mounting plate for the fan, we have to reuse this screw and that screw, so we're gonna take them out right now. Only issue is I don't know if these are the right screws to take out or not. I don't know if I trust this company. Oh yeah, I like these screws way better. Well, I guess either one of them were in the stud. So I'm lining up the base with the holes up here and just re-screwing them in. Yeah, I gotta loosen these out so I can get the wires out. There's white, black. Slight wobble, I don't like that. No wobble, no wobble, we're good. Slide it up like here, like so. So once you get the fan in there, you just wiggle it through until the clips are down like so on either side, and then you just screw it in there and call it good. All right, so here's our light setup. We have white on white, black and blue on black, and then green with ground. Get them all wired up now. So black and blue with black, one's for the fan and one's for the light. Nice and tight, good. All right, and this is what it looks like after it's all wired up. You have the neutral, you have one black for the fan, blue for the light, I believe, and then your black wire in the wall is your hot wire, and then your neutral green. One thing I like to do before I button everything up is I like to make sure it works without any sparky happening, you know? Nice. There is no sparking happening. Right, I'm happy with that. All right, now it says gently push the wires back in. I don't think that's gonna happen into this junction box, realistically, you know? So this bolt on the right side has to come out, and this bolt on the left side right here, actually, your eyes is right. So this bolt has to come out, and then this bolt has to come out up there as well, so that way the housing can fit up top of here and look nice and pretty. So we're lining up some holes up here, nothing too hard, and turn. That's it. All right, next step, fan blades, it looks like. Next step is this piece. There's 3 screws right here that I can unscrew a little bit to put in these little holes. But I'm still lining the indents up with each other. There we go. All right, cool. That's just done. And then for the light bulb cover, there pretty much just screws on here, so it's gonna be a little bright. I do apologize. But there's these indents on the inside. So you look for those dents back there. Once you find the dents, line it up and twist it on, and there you go. Cool. And now my living room has a fan. So my regular camera died, but the fan is installed. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.